Are Facebook videos starting to autoplay every time you scroll? I'm going to show you how to completely turn off autoplay videos on Facebook. And the steps are really simple. So the first thing we're going to do is open the Facebook app on your phone. It doesn't matter if you're on an iPhone or an Android device because the steps look basically the same. When you're inside the app, just tap on Menu at the bottom right corner, scroll all the way down, and open Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings, and we'll scroll a little until we see the section called Media. Once you open that, you'll notice a part called Autoplay in Feed and Stories. This is where Facebook decides when your videos start by themselves. You're going to see three options here. One for autoplay on Wi-Fi and data, one for autoplay only on Wi-Fi, and one that completely turns it off. To stop videos from playing on their own, all you have to do is choose Never. As soon as you tap that, Facebook won't start videos automatically anymore. Your feed will stay quiet, nothing will suddenly start playing, and you'll only see a video move when you manually press play.